Hello everyone, welcome to Ureka series by Unix. My name is Manoj Kumar. Today I'm going to take you to the journey of data engineering, where we are going to bridge the insight of data engineering. We'll be talking about very first what is data engineering, then what is big data, then data engineering timeline. Let's get into this picture and understand that what it is. We have a very simple picture where we have a lot of cubes, like you used logos, right? Legos, logos, what you call it. But there are a lot of cubes available here. Now consider it is your data. Now what you have to do it, you have to segregate these all cubes with respect to the size, with respect to the color. Now what happened if I am going to pick each of it as per the color and going to put it into a different buckets. Now you have a lot of reds, a lot of orange, a lot of green, etc., etc. Likewise, we are also going to pick these cubes with a different size in different bucket. Well, if you're going to segregate the information like this, what happened? You have data been segregated as per the type, as per the information it's coming. Let's say some data is coming from HR, some data is coming from finance, some data is coming from marketing, etc., etc. So data engineering is all about segregating these information as per their orientation, as per their color. Now, finally, I'm going to give you the full insight about it in the architectural view. Let's see, we are going to organize data storage with respect to the color, where colors are going to be sorted with respect to red blocks, blue blocks, green blocks. Similarly, I'm going to put those blocks as per the size. I'm going to sort them up with respect to small blocks, with respect to medium blocks, with respect to big blocks. Now what happened, this data also need to be shared to your colleagues, your friends, sometimes which you might be working, collaborating on a same project. In that case, what happened, you're going to share this data with your friends to its own storage drive. Not only that, what happened, in this case, when you have a proper segregation of data, many times we have seen data is not going to be isolated, data is not going to be left into the silos. So the best part of it is data engineering allow us to make a data in a proper format, in a proper position, in a proper shape. All right, that's the nutshell of your data engineering. As we have understood what is data engineering, now it's time to move on and talk about what is big data. Now look at here, the familiar example of library. Library has a section where a lot of books are there. People are coming to reading a book, people are coming to understand what kind of books are available nowadays, what is trending, what is not trending. Now management of the library wanted to understand what is the number of footfall happening every day, when is the intensity which is growing more, what are the number of days, what are the area where the more people are coming and trying to look for the book. All right. Now in this case, what happened, we'll land up into a 5 different problems, which is volume, because of the more footfall, the more people are coming in the random meaning, which means the velocity. There are different people are coming, that means the variety. Then there are valuable people are coming, so there is a value, and then there is a consistency of the people need to be come up, which is veracity. Now about these 5 V's which land up us to the big data, we'll be talking more detail about it, but let's understand what it causes, these 5 ways. Majorly they cause the problem of storing the data, the problem of processing the data. Now what has happened over a period of time, in 2005, we have come up with a solution called Hadoop, which was given by a person called Docutting, and they given a solution for storage called as Hadoop distributed file system, and they're given the processing framework called MapReduce. Now because of the MapReduce, over a period of 3 to 4 years, where we used to use different process line to process the data, it was time taking and it has become a bottleneck for industry. Now what industry has come up with is they were looking for a faster, blazing fast processing framework, and they have come up with modern solution called Spark, which takes less time and gives better analytics compared to MapReduce. Now the timeline says we have got 2005 where the Hadoop has been introduced, then we got 2009 where the Spark has been introduced, then this technology got modern, we got storage solution called Data Lake in 2010, then we got Databricks, which is a unified solution with Spark for solving or for use for analytics, data science, as well as your data engineering. Not only that, we got new composition of model on top of data lake, which is called Delta Lake in 2019, where we have added a governance layer on top of data lake. So Delta Lake has one additional layer which has been added, which is your governance layer on top of your data lake, and that's how it has been called as Delta Lake. Now we are going to see it, the last part, which is Lakehouse, where we are going to marry data warehouse to big data, which been introduced in 2020. Now with this, guys, we have completed the understanding of what is data engineering, what is big data, and we also have seen the timeline of data engineering. Thank you very much for watching this Eureka series. Keep tuning for more videos.